Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to. Today we are going to open up my Fashom box. So Fashom is a non-subscription clothing service where you actually have to request whatever you want this box set of clothes. So you go on the website and you take a style quiz. You get set up with a stylist and they pick about 7 items for you to choose from. And then you pick 5 of them and they'll be sent to you. Your first time doing it is free, and then there's a $15 style charge after that. So the box will get sent to your house. You have 3 days to pick what items you do and don't want. And then if you choose to keep them, if you keep 3 to 4 items, you get 25% off of the prices of the individual pieces of clothing. And then if you choose all 5, you get 30% off, which is a really good deal. If you don't like anything that your stylist sends you, or if you like certain things and you're like, I really don't want to try any of these or some of these, you can email your stylist and they'll send you different things to choose to pick from. So I already pre-sliced it because I can't cut things on camera. So let's just get right into it. So the first, we have a little card that says, "Hello, beautiful." I think in here it'll probably tell you what your clothes are. Oh, it says "better as I am," and then here's all the steps of how to go through everything. Try before you buy, not a perfect fit, save on spending. Oh yeah, and $1 per box goes to the Second Chance Rescue for NYC dogs, which I think is great. I love when things have a good cause. Okay, so here are the outfits, but we'll just do it. We'll just dive right in. So first, looking at my sheet, this is the Zenobia Koshibo Solid Eyelet Top. Looks like it's going to be pretty cute. This retails for $24. So at 25% off, it would be $18, and 30% would be $16.80, which is really good for a shirt. So we will try this on. Okay, so that fits really nicely. I like how it's nice and loose. It's really cool for summer. It's nice and long, which I like. So I think this one is a keeper. Next, we have the White Birch Hazel Striped Button Down. So this retails for $42. At 25% off, it's $31.50, and 30% it's $29.40. It feels really nice and loose and nice and cool for summer. So let's give this a try. I normally wouldn't grab for this type of shirt, but I'm not hating it. It's nice and loose and airy. You could pair it with a nice little pair of jeans or a nice little skirt. So I may end up keeping this one. We'll see what happens. Next, we have the Chris and Carol Printed Sleeve Waist Length Top. Now this feels like a really soft, I keep saying everything's really soft, but this feels like really comfortable fabric. It looks like it's 3/4 sleeves, which I love. And it looks like it'd be nice and long. Just having twins, I will enjoy this shirt. So let's give it a try. Oh, it retails for $35. So with the 2 discounts, it's $26 or $24. So this is cute and fun. I like all the colors on it. It almost has that baseball tee look to it. And it's nice and loose, but kind of tight up here, which is kind of nice so it doesn't make you look so frumpy. If that's even a word. But it matches my makeup today, which I really enjoy too. Yeah, no, but I like this shirt. It's something different that I normally wouldn't grab for, which is cool, which is why I kind of like this styling service, because it kind of makes you go out of your comfort zone if you want to. All right, let's go on to the next. Next, we have the Natural Life Brushed Rib Turtleneck Top. It retails for $40. With the 2 discounts, it's $30 or $28. So this feels, again, very soft and comfortable. Definitely a fall thing. I'm going to have a hard time trying it on right now because it's August, but that's okay. Let's get to it. Okay, so I really like this shirt. It's kind of tapered on the sides a little bit to accentuate all the right areas. And I do like that it's 3/4 sleeve, so I don't feel so hot in the fall when I'm just all covered up. I get too hot. All right, so we have one. Oh, I did the price, yeah. So we have one more thing left. Let's get to it. Lastly, I think these are jeans, so they would go nicely with this top, so I'm going to leave it on. These are the Just USA Minimal Distressed Mid Skinny Pants. They retail for $40, so the discounts are $30 and $28. So they have distressed rips in them, which I really like. So let me try these on real fast. I can't believe it. These fit perfectly. Nothing fits me right now, and these fit absolutely perfectly. Don't judge me, please, twins. Oh my God, yeah, these are awesome. I was like, oh, I'm definitely gonna be sending the jeans back, but I'll at least like just give it a shot. No, I'm 1000% gonna keep these. I'm like, look how cute this whole outfit is. This is great. All right, so that is everything. I am so surprised that I love these jeans so much. Like I almost want to stand on top of my chair so you could see. Like they're skinny at the bottom, but like they're nice and like stretchy, and I don't feel like I'm hanging out everywhere. And I really like this top with it. I'm so excited. I think I'm honestly gonna keep everything except for the stripe. I don't know, I gotta try it on again and like walk around the house. But I don't know if this is my thing or not, but whatever, I'm so impressed. So I think this is a really cool service, especially because like I went to the store the other day to try on clothes and the dressing rooms were closed. I personally cannot buy clothes without trying them on. And this way it's sent to your house. You have an actual stylist, and I just realized on the invoice she sent me like a really personalized little like really cute note, which like doesn't happen anymore. Nothing's personal anymore. So yeah, I will leave a link in the description box down below if you want to access Fashom. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay safe out there, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.